Good morning, student. I had started. This is my second video on articles, and I had started both with a standard 6 and a standard 7 book because the content is more or less the same. So I am doing a thorough video on articles. Please listen to it. This is a small notes that I have prepared, which you can just listen and go through. So what is an article? The word a, an and the are called articles. So articles can be classified as definite articles and indefinite articles. So definite articles, as I have already told you, are something we are sure about, or when we speak of something in particular or specific, and that is the. The is the definite article. Then I have told you about indefinite articles like a and an, and they are something we are not very sure of. They do not point out on any particular thing or person. I have dealt about indefinite articles completely. Here is a quick recap. So we use articles and before the words beginning with a vowel sound, and I told you how phonetics is related to it. So a, e, I, o, u. So a, e, I, o, u. So you have to listen to this phonetics. So wherever there is a sound of vowels, only there will you use a or an. Otherwise you will not use an there. Like for example, an extra pen, an ant, an inkpot, an ugly bird, an Englishman. Suppose if I give you an example, what dash unique watch. So here we will not write an, though the word unique starts with U. We will write a unique watch. Why? Because if you pronounce this word, if you listen to the sound of this word unique, so you will see that the voice is U, not U. So we will write it is a. Let us move on. Before the words we will use and before the words beginning with silent H. I have already told you earlier, our. H is silent, so O-U-R, our, O. So O. So that is why the sound of a vowel O is coming. So that is why an is used over here. Before abbreviations like MBA, MP, NGO, see N, EN, M, EM, MBA, EM. So the voice is of that of the sound of that vowel E is there. So we have used an before these abbreviations. Uses of now articles A. We have completed and now the indefinite article A. Where do we use this? Before the words that begin with a consonant sound. A good friend, a beautiful flower. Before such vowels which don't have the sound of vowels, like that of university. So if you say U starts with A, E, I, O, U, but that is not the letter that we are talking about. We are talking about the sound. So here the sound is university. So if you write it, or if you listen to it carefully, it is university. So it is not the sound of a vowel. It is the sound of university, EU, university. So that is why we are using a over here. A 1 rupee note. So wow. In a 1 we are putting a over here because it is sound of a 1 rupee note. So that is why again we don't put an, rather we put a over here. Should go by sound and not by just words. I have told that take a note of this line, that we use an and we go by the sound and not just the word or the letter it begins with. And let us just few pointers for you. A and an both are used to indicate one or singular noun which is used to represent a class of thing. Suppose for example a pen, a book, or a dog is a faithful animal. So we are talking about dog as a whole community, a group, that they are faithful by nature. A and an, when we speak of profession, so it was given in your book. Suppose he is a doctor, he is a student, he is an architect. So again the voice, the sound has to be heard of, and then accordingly a and an has to be used. More in the next videos, girls. Thank you.